going on, guys? Johnny with Blazing Grass Lawn Care. So I've just finished applying my Simple Growth solution. It is my humic fulvic acid. It's a concentrate soil treatment, and you know, basically what it does is helps with the uptake of nutrients in your soil. And I use my Petra LT Pro 2.0 4-gallon sprayer, and I have a Clippy, which is a Husqvarna robotic lawnmower, and this one is the 315X. There you go. And I have him mowing my Bermuda lawn at 0.8 inches. Okay, this is the lowest that he goes. No, I think he goes down to 0.5. But yeah, I got him mow everything down, put down my root booster. So it's about 4:30, 5 o'clock. So I'll turn on my sprinklers and, you know, have this stuff, you know, drench my soil and have all the nutrients get down in there. And yeah, so there it is, guys. Simple Growth Solution. Make sure you go check them out. And my trusty Petra backpack sprayer. Man, let me tell you with this, guys, I don't have to keep going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Man, let me tell you, I love it. I love it. And spring is in the air. Hear the birds? He's up there somewhere. That's beautiful, man. All right, guys. I'm about to go turn on my irrigation system. You guys have a blessed one, man. And I'll keep you updated on the transformation of my Bermuda lawn. This year, 100%, I'm rocking with my lawn, man. Yeah. Last year was like, let me try some lawn stuff. And prior to that, guys, and I'll be honest with you, all I did was cut my lawn. Yeah, I know, but this year is about the treatment, okay? And so you see real quick, see how many weeds you see, guys? How many weeds? Huh? Let me know. None. Zero. You know why? Pre-emergent. Yeah. Except over here in the shade, I have a little bit of POA, but no big deal. You know, we'll take care of that. Those right there are Loropetalums, and those over there are Ligustrums, and those are 12 feet. And I trimmed them both front and back, all the way around. I'm talking too much. See you on the next one. Be safe out there. Be blessed.